Today we're talking about the quantum storage carts that they offer. This one here happens to be a bin cart. Hauls around these nice heavy duty bins that we'll talk about later. You also have the tray cart here. Rugged built. This is the taller of the two. Comes in 60, let me cheat here for a second, 69 inches. This happens to be 69 inches. And a 39 inch height. So 39 inch, somewhere in here. Anyways, what you see here is loaded up with the fiberglass trays. These are static dissipative. On this one, we do not have an option that is available, and basically it's I believe it's like a locking or a stopping mechanism you can put on both. It's like somewhat like a bar that comes down here, keep the trays from sliding in and out. But for normal transportation around, you can see how I'm moving it. It isn't like they're going to slide and fall out on us. On this one, it has 4 casters. It's kind of, again, Captain Obvious. When you have 4 posts, you have a caster on it. We have a drag chain that will be in contact with your ESD floor to make it ESD safe. And you have the locking casters on this one too. This cart, this happens to be the conductive utility cart from Quantum. And as you can see, we have it loaded up today here with our conductive bins that we've been talking about in other videos. Basically, it's a utility cart that is conductive because as you can see, there's a drag chain down on the bottom. It's chrome finished. And this configuration is a 3-shelf configuration. It comes in a 2-shelf if you only need 2 shelves. The dimensions on this I believe is an 18 inch. There's also, let me check, 24 inches. Yes, 24 inches is another one. And then there's 3 different lengths. One length is 36, which I believe is what we see here. There's a 42 and there's a 48. Now the height on this one is about 29 inches from the floor to the top shelf. But as you can see, we have it pretty well loaded down. And as we mentioned earlier in one of the other videos, these bins with the lids are stackable, and without the lids, they're stackable and kind of nested. So everything kind of stays seated in its place. As you can see, there's a small little lip with this top one to kind of give you that extra security as you're toting this around. 4 casters, 4 donuts, bumper donuts. These casters, on 2 of the casters, you have the locking mechanism, so you can lock it in real quick, easy lockdown. Great little cart. Give us a call or go to our web to see what cart will best fit your application, and we'll help you out. Thanks a lot.